Hello, we're so excited that you decided to try Footprint. We believe Footprint is the most easy to use and intuitive analysis platform to discover and visualize blockchain data. Whether you're just getting started in blockchain, DeFi, crypto, or you're a seasoned investor that wants to make smarter investments and learn about data and uncover trends on their own, we believe we have the tools for you. This video won't go into specifics about how to make your own templates, how to call up queries, etc. It's just going to give you the high level overview of what you can do with the platform. If you're a bit intimidated when you get onto the homepage, okay, that's understandable, but don't panic. We recommend you start right here with the featured dashboards. A dashboard is just basically a visual representation of different data in the form of charts. So let's go to the Solana analysis dashboard, for example. We believe this has the most relevant data in the form of charts to understand Solana. Here you see them all, the price, the total locked value, etc. And on the left-hand column, you can see tons of different kinds of dashboards categorized by metrics, dozens of metrics by the chains, by the projects. You can go to any of these and start learning about different aspects of coins, of tokens, of different decentralized exchanges. And we recommend this is where you start with the platform, all right? Just explore all the pre-built charts, all the pre-built dashboards until you're comfortable seeing how it works. And you'll notice that there are a lot of them because we collect a lot of data on this platform. That's why we have this little explore feature where you can add your favorite charts, your favorite dashboards, or you can create your own charts and dashboards as well. We're not going to explain how to do that in this video, but you should just know that when you build your own charts using this create tab over here, you put them here. You can put your favorite ones here. And when you do create it, you could either just drag and drop the data through the new chart feature, or if you're more advanced, you have more experience, you can write your own SQL queries right here. Anyways, we'll go over that in a following tutorial. But for now, just know that it exists. And if you want to learn more right now, we encourage you to go to the documentation section. You have everything you need to know about Footprint, all the functions, the features, the highlights, and some tutorials right here. Besides tutorials, there's also different tutorials for the kinds of charts you can make, what they're all used for, and we encourage you to join our Discord, follow us on Twitter, or join our Telegram channel. Anyways, we hope to see you there, and we hope you enjoy your journey with Footprint.